channel. Today I'm in the kitchen again. I'm making steamed vegetable, which is steamed cabbage with pumpkin and carrot and some seasoning here. I have some onion, I have some red sweet pepper, I have some yellow sweet pepper, and I have some parsley. Yes, and I'm going to show you my pumpkin. I'm going to thread my pumpkin in my steamed veg and my carrot. Okay guys, so I'll soon get back to you, okay? So you just mix up everything together. So what I'm going to do now is to put my veg in my pot. And this vegetable is a vegan vegetable. Yes. So you're not going to cook it way down. Yes. And this cabbage is organic cabbage, organic carrot. Yes. As what I always say, you don't have to limit yourself. You just can just make your veg and just put whatever you want to put in there, what you think is healthy for you, so you don't have to limit yourself, guys. Okay, so here I'm going to put my parsley and my yellow sweet pepper, red sweet pepper, and my onion. Yes. So what I'm going to do now is put it on the fire and put my extra virgin olive oil in my pot with a little bit of spice and get back to you, okay guys? Here I have my veg. So what I'm going to do now, just pour a little oil in there. And this is what I'm using. Yes. Just going to pour it a little bit in the cork. This is the amount. It's not a lot, okay? You don't want to full it of oil. No. That's not healthy, okay? Doesn't matter if I extra olive oil or 100% olive oil or the best oil ever. You don't want to full it of oil. And this is my spice. Just a little bit of this kind of spice to put in there. Yes, this is what I use as my spice. Just gonna put a little bit of pepper in there. So just gonna, and you're not gonna let this stay for less than 5 minutes, but you don't want, you know, your veg to get soft and stuff like that. So you're not gonna let it stay on the fire for less than 5 minutes. Okay. You have some people cannot eat them vegetable crispy, but some can eat them vegetable when it's steamed down, when it's steamed way down till it gets really soft and stuff like that. But I'm just doing it the healthier way, you know, because this is a vegan vegetable steamed veg with pumpkin and carrot and my season. Yes guys, so yeah, just gonna let it stay here for just 3 minutes. Yeah, less than 5 minutes. Okay. And this is how my vegetable look after 3 minutes to 4 minutes. This is how it look. So I'm gonna take it off now because I don't want it to get soft. Okay. this is so colorful, so colorful and healthy. Look at it, see? Yes, and this is my steamed cabbage, healthy steamed cabbage with pumpkin and carrot, and my seasoning. Yes guys, vegan style, vegan recipe. Yes, this is how I prepare my vegan steamed cabbage with pumpkin and carrot. This is the finished look of my steamed pumpkin, carrot and cabbage, vegan vegetable, healthy vegetable, vegan style. Yes guys, so guys, you can try it and I hope you enjoy it, and please comment and tell me all about it. It is very healthy vegan recipe. Yes guys, so please subscribe, thumbs up and share, and just comment and tell me all about it guys. It is so healthy. Yes, okay, so guys, big up on yourself and thank you so much for watching. Bye.